Alright, so you're on set shooting an interview and you got your LED lights out, right? And your subject is just washed completely with crazy light. And you can see the footage right there. What if I told you there's a hack and it doesn't cost nothing but maybe $3 if you... What if I told you there's a hack and it only costs like $3, maybe at your local Walmart? Today, I'm gonna show you how to diffuse your LED lights with a white tee. Like I said, this is a white tee. I don't know if it's from Walmart, but it doesn't matter. So first panel, this is my key light. And you know my subject was washed with light. What this does, you put it over your barn light. Put it like that. Come back here, tie it like a ninja, man. Tie it like a bandana, all right? Boom. And you see the lighting's already diffused, it probably looks better. I'm gonna actually show you the results in 1 minute. Let me get this side too. So you need 2 white tees. So if a white tee costs what, $3 at Walmart? Or you can get the Hanes pack for $8. I mean, it beats buying a softbox or what have you on Amazon. Do it again for your other one. That I'm gonna use on my subject. Tie it back here. Boom. I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. You see the test footage, and you can even tell in this room of what the white tees, the power of the white tee. I'm queuing at them franchise boys in my white tee. Because that's all you need. Use with what you have. Don't let that stop you from creating great stuff, because it doesn't stop me. Work with the work, man. And we're good. As you can see with the setup, we're posting this video, it's fire.
Positive mindset, because when you start to build this morning routine and it starts leading to success, then success becomes routine.
So a quick recap with that video. As you can see, you can pretty much make anything look great. And you know, when you're on set and you forget your diffuser, or you don't have a diffuser and you need to really diffuse those lights, use with what you have. It's not like the viewer, the people watching the video can tell that you use a white t-shirt. You know, they don't, who cares about that? It's all about what comes out, what's the final product. And you can tell by the final product. Rocky posted it on his YouTube channel. The video did super well. No one commented like, oh, I saw a white t-shirt as a diffuser. Who cares? It's all about creating and not letting anything stop you in that process. So stop with the excuses, use with what you have. If this bootleg diffuser hack helped you out, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, as well as Final Cut Pro tutorials, vlogs, unboxings, reviews, and video business strategies, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.